What's up guys, let's see how to have different headers for different pages in MS Word. Now there are two ways to do this. If you are entering your header on your first page, it would not affect your other pages because of the default settings in MS Word. Let me show that to you. Let's double click on the header area and let's type some text. XYZ. Okay, XYZ is my header. Note that once you have entered the header and footer area, you would be under this menu, header and footer, and this guy, different first page, is checked. This tells Word that you would like to have a different page. Maybe you want to create a cover page that is different from any of the rest of the pages. So let's see your second page. So it has not affected the other headers of the document, so you're safe. This is mostly checked in your Word. If not, you can just check this if it is unchecked. Let me show that to you again. Coming out of header and footer section, you double click, you are in first page, so it shows this different first page. If this is unchecked, the case would be different. It reflects in the second page. So it is better to have different first page checked. Now to the main part. What if you want to have a different header in your other pages? You don't want your second page header to affect in any of the other pages, or you have two pages that you want to have different headers. So the first step you do is to create a section break. Now our objective is to write a header here in the second page and hope that it does not affect our third page. So you come to your third page, you go to layout, click the drop down in the breaks and select section break, also called as next page. Here inserts a section break and starts a new section. So once you click on that, a new section has been created. How do you verify that? Go to home, click on show height formatting. So this would clearly state that there's a break right here. Section break is in the next page. Now click on this icon again to hide the formatting. Let's double click the header area. You can clearly see section 2. So these are two different sections, but they are still linked to each other. If you write a header now, it would still impact the other pages. So the thing you gotta do here is unlink to previous. Perfect. So the header, we are in page 3 now, which is section 2. This is page 2 with section 1. Let's try something. ABC. It does not impact your third page because of the section break. Now please note that page 2 is in section 1, but the rest of the document, doesn't matter how many pages you create going forward, will all be under section 2. This one, section 2. Any pages that follow here, see, would always be in section 2. So if you want to have different headers in the document, maybe page 5, page 6, all you have to do is create your section break. It's there in your layout. So that's it. Hope the video helped. Please do subscribe if you like to know more tips and tricks about MS Word or other authoring tools that I hope to come up with. Like the video if you like, or give a dislike if you don't. So good luck. Bye bye.